Hello, students. I hope you all are fit and healthy. I am Nivedita ma'am, your social science teacher, and today we are going to study the topic the solar system. So, what exactly is the solar system? Our solar system consists of the sun, the planets, Earth, planets like Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and these planets have their own satellites, which are also called moon. So, see here, this is the sun. This is the center of the earth. These are the planets. For example, Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, okay? And moon. Look at this very small figure, okay? This is the moon. So, Earth has just only one moon, but there are many planets which have no moon at all or more than one moon. Students, we also call the solar system as solar family with sun as its head. Why is the sun head of the solar system? Because it is on the center of the solar system. Let's move let's move to another celestial body, a very important celestial body, which is the sun. What is the sun? It is a star. The sun is in the center of the solar system. It is huge and made up of extreme hot gases. It provides the pulling force that binds the solar system. The sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. But that tremendous heat is not felt so much by us because, despite being our nearest star, it is far away from us. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. So, students, it is important to understand that sun is very important for us, we human beings, for the earth as a planet, because it gives us the heat and the light that we require for our survival. And how far is it away from us? It is 150 million kilometers away from us, away from the earth, which is very, very far. I hope you have understood till here. So now Let's move on to this small box. Do you know Sol in Roman mythology is the sun god. Solar means related to the sun. So whenever you hear the word solar, it means it is related to the sun. The family of the sun is therefore called the solar system. What is the family of the sun called? It is called the solar system. So, students, in very simple words, the family of the sun is therefore called the solar system. Write down as many words using the word solar on your own as you can. For example, solar light, solar heater, solar energy, etc. Okay, students, after sun, we have another important celestial bodies which are called the planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system in order of their distance from the sun. For example, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So, students, it is important for you to memorize the name of the planets in order of their distance from the sun. Okay? The short form is my very efficient mother just served us nuts. My very Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Earlier, Pluto was also there, but now it has been removed from the list of planets. Understood? Looking at this picture, we can see here the sun, okay? And this thing, this round thing, okay? This is called orbit. So, all the 8 planets of the solar system, they move around the sun in fixed paths, okay? These are the fixed paths, and these fixed paths are called orbits. Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun. And which is the farthest planet to the sun? It is Neptune. As I told you earlier, Pluto was also in the list of planets, but now it has been removed as a planet. And what is it called? It is called a dwarf planet. Let's move to this box in page number 2. Interesting fact, Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus have rings around them. These are belts of small debris. These rings may be seen from the Earth with the help of powerful telescopes. So, here, students, it is important to understand that the tool or the machine used to look at the stars, planets, and other celestial bodies from the Earth is the telescope. Looking at the picture of Saturn here, we see it has rings around it. Okay, rings around it. It contains gases and rocks. Okay, or planets like Jupiter and Uranus also have rings, but they are very thin rings, so they are not actually visible. Understood? So, students, it is very important for you to memorize the name of the planets using this short form. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. And in the next class, I hope you have memorized these planets and we'll meet very soon.